In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Finally, click on Set as Wallpaper and tap on Yes in the pop-up. Now you can apply it right away, or click on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to. You can also select presets at the top left corner, tap on the best one for you and hit Yes. Wherever you decided, when you finished, go back. And to apply this wallpaper, hit Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Lastly, tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen to decide where you wish to apply it. So when I do that and close my app, I can see that Magic Fluids was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!